After rebranding, client installers may sometimes not appear in the CBS download page. This problem arises if in the Rebrand Clients page of a selected user in the Administrative Access tab of Basic Settings, no platforms have been selected under the Available Installers section. This issue does not affect the availability of the installers for Ahsay Mobile, AhsayCBS, and AhsayUBS on the CBS download page. Additionally, while admin accounts can modify the client installer settings of all users, lesser user types such as sub-admin accounts may only modify their own client installer settings along with other user accounts assigned to them. To resolve this issue, follow these steps. Log in to the AhsayCBS web console. Navigate to System Settings, Basic, and Administrative Access. Under the Manage System User field, select the user you would like to modify. Open the Rebrand Clients section, then open the Build Installers tab. Under the Available Installers section, click on the platforms that you would like to have the installers for Ahsay OBM or Ahsay ACB be available on. Click OK. Then click on Save Afterward to save your settings. The installers for the selected platforms shall now appear on the CBS download page.